This is Little Bear.
Hello. Say hello, little bear.
Little Bear is a munchkin. And she's very young. Really chubby. Really chubby. Yes, you are. And she's scared right now. I'm not really sure why. Little Bear, is there anything that you want to say to the internet? No, there's not. Nothing? Really? Oh, look at them. Look at them.
Hello, internet. I am a cat. Meow. And I have little tiny legs. I know. It's very sad that you have little tiny legs. I love you though.
Okay.
Bye, internet.